The Napa Valley Wine Train has arrived. Look at the size of that engine. Those tiles are 13-inch tiles that it's sitting on. There's the dome car. And then there's going to be one more car coming sometime in a week or so. That goes there, and that'll be the end of getting the wine train assembled.
I don't see myself as a hero. I see myself as doing what needed to be done to take out the evil threat.
I wonder if Joe Biden would consider choosing a Republican as a running mate.
The answer is I would, but I can't think of one now.
Let's face it.